Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, the day has finally come. I got a hardtop for my car, for my S2000. It's a Forbidden USA double-sided carbon fiber. It's wrapped in red. I got it off a guy on Instagram and it looks pretty good for what it is, for what the price I got it for. This glass is fresh, he said, and it does have some residue here, some sticky residue here. It's wrapped in red, and it's okay. The wrap's all right. But the point of this is so that, you know, I don't have to really baby it, and I wouldn't feel so bad if I ruined it, for example, if I got a OEM one. But yeah, let's see what it looks like on the car. All right, so first I'm gonna try and take off the sticky residue with some goof off. All right, so I need to access 3 bolts that go into here, and I need to take off this panel and then this panel, and then I'll have access to the 3 bolts that I will attach my latches to, which are over there. So let's get to it. All right, so I got the 2 panels out now, and I'm gonna undo these 2 screws because that is where my latch right here for the hardtop, I think it should attach something like this. Like that. And then it goes, the hardtop goes into here. Let's see how it goes. It's a 12 mil. I think. Yeah, it's a 12 millimeter. 2 screws right here. They are really on there though. Do it. The 2 sheets of metal that this bolt goes through, they weren't aligned once I unscrewed it. So my neighbor just came over and he just pushed it in for me, and now we're golden. So here we go. I guess I'm gonna just keep going forward with this. All right, so the latch is on, and I think it's hardtop time. So, and then there's like 2 things that drop in here. There's like 1 thing that drops in there, one, like it's on this side. Okay. And I can grab the right side, you can grab the left side. Okay. Okay. My side's in? Yep, mine's in. Yeah, it's in there. Alright. Cool, yeah, thanks for your help. Hey, no problem. Thanks again. What do you guys think? Let's put the interior back in and then maybe we can go for a ride.